Hello, time to tell you how you can start a friendly conversation, or in other words, an informal conversation. For example, you want to tell about something to your friend, family, or colleague. To attract their attention and involve them in a conversation, you can say one of these phrases. Guess what? Guess what? Have you heard the latest? Have you heard the latest? Have you heard? Have you heard? Did you hear what happened? Did you hear what happened? Did you hear the news? Did you hear the news? Did you get the scoop? Did you get the scoop? You'll never guess what I heard. You'll never guess what I heard. You'll never guess what I read online. You'll never guess what I read online. Guess what I just saw online? Guess what I just saw online? Guess what I just found out? Guess what I just found out? You'll never guess what happened to me in LA. You'll never guess what happened to me in LA. Know what happened? Know what happened? Guess what happened? Guess what happened? You won't believe this. You won't believe this. You won't believe what Chris just told me. You won't believe what Chris just told me. Let me tell you about what happened while I was in New York. Let me tell you about what happened while I was in New York. Get a load of this. Get a load of this. Get this. Get this. Dig this. Dig this. Some of these phrases are informal or used as a slang, like did you get the scoop? Get a load of these. Get this. Or dig this. It means you can use them with your close friends or in a very informal situation, not to offend other people. If you want to see some example dialogues with these phrases, you should check my lesson on my website. The link will be in the description below. Don't forget to rewatch the video at least several times and repeat all the phrases after me to memorize better how you can start a friendly conversation or informal talking with someone. In my next lesson, I will show you how to invite someone to talk. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you like the video. See you in my other lessons. Take care.